are here on the marketplace floor of the African American Travelers Conference in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm here with Pedro. He is with Roomba Hotels in beautiful Florida. Pedro, do you want to tell us a little bit about what you guys are offering group leaders right now?
Of course, thank you, Valerie. We do offer great incentives for our group leaders. We do have a complimentary room for every 10 rooms booked, and we also offer a free upgrade.
Very nice.
We currently have an incentive, which is to be a $50 off on all the deposits for the group, and that's another given for our groups down there. And we offer the free continental breakfast for all the group. That's actually not just for the leaders, for everybody else in the group.
Very nice. And so when they're coming to stay with you, Pedro, what are they coming to see? I mean, obviously it's Florida, but what do you have?
Obviously, sunny Kissimmee is right next to the Disney parks, only 5-minute drive, and also Universal Studios, which is like a 10-15-minute drive from our hotel.
Very nice.
And we do also offer a free complimentary room for the bus driver and free parking.
Very nice. So if you guys are trying to go to Disney or to any of the surrounding areas there, stay with Roomba.
Yes, please come see us. Thank you.